Explain your system here.
Well, I removed all of the bags from the car. Then I emptied them out here. This is my dirty spot. And I've washed my gloves. And I do it repeatedly throughout the process. I'll take each thing one at a time. It's got a special mixture of soap, and I'm not sure what else you put in here.
On Guard Cleaner Concentrate.
From what I hear, it's not a very strong thing. It's not hard to wash off, you know. I just get them. I try not to just saturate the labels.
We try to do the refrigerated stuff first.
Oh yes, and that does, you're right, absolutely right. That does need to be done first. I'll do that after these cans.
Okay.
I'll do that next,
Alrighty.
since I've gotten a little bit distracted.
I'm going to go fetch the hose.
Okay, and that's the next part of the phase. Sarah's rinsing and drying.
Yes.
And sometimes we'll leave certain items that can just stay outside. We'll just leave them outside for a while. We'll do all these sealed items next.
What do you do for like that, for cardboard and things? Just a light wash?
Wipe it off lightly and spritz it with my sprayer. Pretty much it.
Oh, that's easy peasy. So, in that spray is hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol, colloidal silver, On Guard Cleaner Concentrate, a little bit of old-fashioned Dawn dishwashing liquid. You're almost done.
Yeah, I'm almost done. Just keep going.
Alright, keep going. Emptied all the cans out of that box?
Yeah, I emptied all the cans out of the box, and my thinking on that is, see, when you grab this, you're touching the cans. And, you know, I don't know how many people use that handle and how many people don't. I have no idea. So, I figured the best way to be, as you say, better safe than sorry, is to just go ahead and wash them all. You can drink them straight out of the can if you want. Just like back before the world got ruined by the China people.
Cliff.
What?
That's racist.
Call it what you will. That is true.
Hazmat coming through. So that didn't take too terribly long. Of course, that wasn't a very big grocery load.
Wasn't too bad.
Well, anything else you'd like to add?
I'm gonna go wash myself off with actual soap and water, and all the rest of this is ready to take inside.
Awesome.
And or leave outside however you like.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us on this grocery cleaning session. We've caressed our groceries.